Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn this oversized t-shirt into a cute two-piece top and skirt set that was inspired by an outfit on Shein. You will see it in the thumbnail. But the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking a pencil skirt that I own and taking some fabric chalk and basically just tracing around it. That way I can make my skirt the right size. This way it's not too small or it's not too big. Then I'm just taking some fabric scissors and cutting out my pattern. So now I am taking my pieces and putting right sides together, and I'm just going to take some sewing pins and pin the left and right sides together. Because I use the bottom part of the shirt to make my skirt, I wouldn't have to hem the bottom part. Then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and do a zigzag stitch. Now for the top, I just took a random tank top that I had, and I really just used it for the width of the top, just to make it, not too big or too small. And I'm just basically going to cut it out in like a square or rectangle shape. Then I'm going to take some sewing pins once again and sew, or not sew, but pin both sides together. Then I used the sleeve part for the shirt. I used this part for the straps that I'm going to use for the top. So I think I made it 14 inches long, I believe. And I want to say I made it 4 inches wide. So because I'm using the sleeve part, once I cut out my rectangle, it will be 2 pieces for the straps. And I'm just going to cut that out. So here are my 2 straps. And then what I am going to do is I'm basically going to fold both straps in half, longwise, and then I'm just going to take like some pins and sew on the very edge of both straps. So here are all of my pieces that I have pinned together. They are not sewn yet, but I have all of my pieces. What I like to do is I like to cut out all my pieces, pin them together, and then take them all to the sewing machine. So that way I can go ahead and just sew all at once. So as you can see, the pins are in place on my pieces. I have the top, I have my straps, I have my waistband, and then I have my skirt piece. And I'm just taking it to my sewing machine. Like I said before, I did use a zigzag stretch stitch, and I do use this type of stitch on all of my stretchy fabrics, my knit fabrics and stuff like that. That way it can still have some sort of elasticity. However, this shirt, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, did say that it was 100% cotton. So now here is my waistband. I'm just going to fold it in half and then sew right there. Then once that is done, my skirt is turned right side out, and I'm just taking the waistband, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin on the very edge of the waistband, and I'm going to sew on the very edge as well. So here it is pinned, and I'm just going to sew where the pins are placed on the very edge. So now I'm turning my skirt inside out, and then I'm just going to take the waistband again and fold it over. That way it can look clean, professional, and a good looking finish. So now for my top, keep in mind I did hem the top and bottom part of my top as well. I just didn't show any of that, but I'm taking my straps and I'm basically going to pin where I want them to go. And I'm going to do that to the other strap as well. So there are all my pieces. Of course, I did turn my skirt inside out again, and I'm going to take some fabric chalk and kind of draw a little curve. That way I have like a slit. Once that is cut out, I am going to fold, hem, and pin, and then I'm going to sew it. So now that is all of my pieces completely done. So this is how the two-piece set looks. Came out really cute. It's not exactly like the one that you see in the thumbnail. However, it is quite similar, but the skirt is just a bit shorter and the top is a little bit longer as well. But this is the finished look and came out pretty good. I think I like it. It's really cute. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.